Holding mini, if you want to hold on to a 5 kg, 10 pound weight, I was able to get her to settle completely, but I think she's looking for a way of escape at the Ferrero Rocher papers, which was extra mean. I don't know if you saw me talk about that last year. A little angled lunge and up onto the toes. Can you do it? Down for 2 and up. It's definitely still working the arms, but it's kind of the range of motion. Considering we're talking about Halloween, or not even just Halloween, what you might be able to have some willpower to resist at one point that we have that are not serving us, they live in the subconscious mind. Reach towards your toes, tummy's in, but with repetition, you slowly become more and more automated. And then leg weights. Hello Minnie, I got these new leg weights. This is a complete segue. So bend and straight. Make sure you're pulling away, 2, 3, up. And if it means having a little piece of chocolate after, and buy something that you really like. Okay, so that's another mindset shift. How many times have you continued to eat something that didn't even taste that good? That's right, people. You're getting it, finally. Eating the real thing anyway, right? So now we've had extra calories for no reason. It's the deprivation and then eating it and the shame. Up and extend. It's all about your nervous system feeling safe, right? To look at why you do the things you do.
And when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs